are up in the mountains trying to walk towards the lava, the old volcano, and it's cold. Cold and windy. It wasn't supposed to be windy. But I'll just turn the camera around so you can see.
My mind if you don't get his soothe. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can never
Put it on, put it on, Thanks. It's not funny, that's so they can see me when we get snowed in.
Cause I'm never gonna get enough. Can't say I'm hurting, baby, but I don't feel too good. It's like I'm burning.
So there's the lava.
When you're not in my blood, loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I need your loving, baby. It's all I'm thinking of. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his soothe. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love.
So we made it to the lava. Behind us you can see the lava is still steaming, so it's still really hot. There you go. And that's what people were walking on earlier in the year.
Cause I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love, I need your love. Cause I'm never gonna get enough. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away.
So, well, we made it, well, not really to the top,
Quite a long way up the top.
quite a long way at the top.
Yeah.
So we'll turn the camera around. Oh, hang on. I wander over here. Bit of a cliff edge though. So we were right down there, at the end of where the lava came in, and we walked all the way up here. And now I've got a better view looking across of where the lava flowed down. The volcano is actually the other side of that hill, and it flowed down both sides of there.
Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy.
So, where are we, man? And there's a snowstorm. Yeah, it's not what you want to be, is it? You can see the snowstorm sort of behind us. Oh, that's, well, pretty much snow everywhere, really. Yeah, it looks good though. Still sunny that way. Unfortunately, we're not that way. We're up here. But, never mind, hopefully. You can see where we're going. We'll make our way back.
I'm never gonna get enough of your love.